First aid kits and supplies are mandatory tools for working in many fields like nursing, teaching, or even babysitting. Safety NJ is a distributor for the certified safety brand of first aid kits and supplies you could possibly need. In addition, Safety NJ is a distributor for Kemp, Work and Leisure, Port West, and Braden. You can purchase high-quality first aid kits and supplies on our website, including AEDs, safety supplies, CPR training supplies, commercial swimming pool first aid supplies, and EMS supplies. You can find burn ointments, tapes, muscle gels, water-resistant blankets, and iPads to complete first aid kits. The products are top of the line, so you are prepared for your career in healthcare or immediate family emergencies at home, work, or schools. Emergencies happen. It's up to you to be prepared with the latest up-to-date equipment needed to help in these situations. Safety NJ has all the supplies you need. For more information, call 973-320-3200 or visit safetynjfirstaidkits.com for your first aid kits and supplies now.